we'll guide you through how to find your Stripe webhook secret key. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard by visiting dashboard.stripe.com. Log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Developers. Click on it to expand the menu, then select Webhooks. In the Webhooks section, you'll see a list of all the webhooks you have set up. Click on the webhook endpoint for which you need the secret key. This will take you to a detailed view of your selected webhook. Now, look for a section or tab labeled Signing Secret. Here, you'll find the secret key associated with this particular webhook. Keep in mind that this key is sensitive information, so make sure to handle it securely and not share it publicly. You can click the Reveal button to view it if it's hidden. Remember that the webhook secret key is used to verify that events received by your webhook endpoint are coming from Stripe, so it's crucial for maintaining the security of your integrations. If you need to rotate this key, you can also do so from this section by clicking on any available options to regenerate or update the key. Make sure to update your application with the new key if you decide to rotate it. And that's it. You've successfully found your Stripe webhook secret key. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.